Hi guys! So it is a Sunday vlog and I have a special guest.
Who's it?
You. So we are first going to some kind of a market because Weber wants Nandan coffee.
Yeah, I want to steal Nandan's coffee and drink it.
That's the plan, and then we're gonna go cycling. Okay, so Weber was actually brought me to a dogathon without a dog. But anyways, I don't think Mars would have made it to the dogathon.
Yeah, because Mars would eat all of these dogs.
Mars is a dog hater.
In a cradle all night it sways and it drives. It shakes all over like a jellyfish. I kinda like it. Crazy little thing called love.
Okay, so I've made a very elaborate cycling plan where I have to rent a cycle because I don't have a cycle. Weber has a cycle, and Weber didn't get his coffee in the end. There was no Nandan coffee, so we just got
Nandan bana diya. You can beep it.
So we just got a lot of pets and wags, and now we're going cycling. I'm going cycling, then you will have to get your cycle.
Maybe.
और कितना है per hour? Guys, guess what color my bike is?
Yeah, but you know you can ride it na.
Waiting for Waves to join me. He had to follow me through most of the way because the damn shop didn't have a helmet, and I am really scared of traffic. So yeah, maybe the cycle plan was a bad plan, but we're just gonna ride up and down the promenade at Gateway because we were like, there's no helmets, so let's just do that and then return the cycle. And now I'm just waiting for Weber to meet me here because this is our meeting point. Weber on his cool cycle and me on my cool cycle, not yet but getting there. The shit we have to do to get cycling shots, get off, wait, place the camera, cycle. Okay, so Weber was taking me home. I have returned my cycle.
Who said I'm taking you home?
Stop it! And he thinks I'm gonna fit onto this, so yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Ready? You want to go in?
One second, let me go in. Oh, yeah, ready.
But don't cover the whole hand.
Now? My legs are up.
Your pooch is coming into my eye.
Nobody can tell me on a bicycle.
What, it looks like we're hopping.
I don't know what this looks like.
But this is a nice shot.
Oh.
And the bike right now is screaming under both of us.
Yeah.
Saying, bitches, I'm a high performance bike, what are you guys doing? Another set of rumblers that you love so much.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh!
Oh Lord. My bath was useless.
We are back. I'm famished and Lakshmi is making some yummy South Indian today. Lakshmi, क्या बना रहा है?
इडली, डोसा, मेदू वड़ा, दाल वड़ा.
She's the expert. Scary Chef Sherry is doing nothing today.
What you gonna do when the rain is coming down? Nothing more to do when there's no one else around. Bring it back to the middle, push, take it back to the rhythm. Keep it up for good when the sky's falling down. All you gotta do is to bring it to the ground. Hit it up to your inner move. Stop, start, down. Nobody can get what you're going through. Nobody can get what you've done.
Okay, I am in a food coma, Vaibhav. Lunch was so good. Now we're just gonna chill and watch something and vegetate.
Nobody can get what you're going through.
Okay, peeps, I had a very relaxing afternoon. We just watched a show, took Mazi for a walk, and now I have some really exciting news. I want to show you guys something. Are you ready?
What do K-dramas and K-Jo movies have in common?
It's really easy for anyone to make this.
You sure?
Hi guys, or should I say Annyeong Chingus. How crazy is that? So K School on Prime with Sherry is live. It is something I did with Amazon Prime Video. Very excited about it because it's the first thing in the whole K-drama space that I've done other than my own content. And yeah, we're going to be talking about all things K-drama, all things Korean, fashion, beauty, language, food. And the first episode is out, so check it out. I will link it in the description. But yeah, really excited about this, and I can't wait for the rest of them to come out for you guys to see. But yeah, very excited that this is out. I don't know how many times I said excited, but you can see that I am pretty excited about it. And now, disaster. One of my nails broke while I was walking Mars just now. So I brought out my nail cutter. Yes, even my nail cutter is orange, guys. I have a problem. I've accepted it. I have a problem. Move on. I have an orange problem. Okay. And now, yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a chill day. Just Mr.'s already knackered and passed out from his walk. Just gonna have some chai, kind of make Mars his dinner because I realized his khana is over at lunch. So gotta make his khana and maybe cook something for dinner. I don't know, but we have a lot of like Medu Vadas and dal vadas and stuff left, so we probably eat those. But oh yeah, they were divine. They were so good. So yeah, probably gonna eat those for dinner. But right now I'm just gonna chop off all my nails because I feel like one's broken and I've been meaning to chop them because you guys know I don't do like long nails for long. And yeah, just chill out. Are you good, Chimkin? Should we make your khana? Should we make your khana? Come, let's make your khana. Or you sleep, I'll make your khana. Scary Chef Sherry in the house. Maz's khana is almost done. I'm just gonna put like his khana into his bowl to cool a little so that he can eat it, and then give the parents their khana, and then like chill and eat my khana later or in bed or whatever, because I'm gonna have like this yummy leftover vadas from lunch. That's what I want to eat. And we're gonna watch the race tonight. So yeah, it's really sad because there's a lot of drama happening with the championship. If you're an F1 fan, you know that. But yeah, fingers crossed for Lewis for tonight. So I want to quickly shower, get out of my clothes that I've been in the whole day, and finish all my chores. So yeah, I hated doing this, but I have to do it. Like the filling the pani, washing the bartan, you know, the usual. I still have to get my dishwasher. We've cleaned out the area for the dishwasher. Remember, I had that old fridge here. It is gone. Poof. Now I just need to put the dishwasher there, and yeah, that's it. I have put too much water and my cooker is exploding. So yeah, I have to do another cleanup now. Great. This is why I'm called Scary Chef Sherry, guys. This is exactly why. Counter has been cleaned and at least his dinner looks good. Yeah. You want khana? You want khana? Good boy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. We've been a little fussy because we've had an upset tummy, so I've been feeding him a lot, which I'm trying to stop now. So I'm just luring him in with some chicken and then he gets into the bowl himself. Mission accomplished. Good boy. No, Mama not got any khana. Mama not got khana. Khana here. Okay, folks, it is 9:30. I do not know where the time went. Like, I mean, to all of you that do stuff in your house and your kitchen, I don't know how you manage time, but I got in here at like 6:37, and then I gobbled some vadas while I was heating like their food because I was just like, I'm not gonna waste time sitting and eating. And then finally did all the bartan, all that. Like, you can see the whole kitchen has been like done for the night, and then went for my bath. Yeah, so now I'm gonna treat myself to a little bit of a dessert, something new that I've been doing, which is homemade dahi with something special. I'm sure a lot of you do this, but yeah, I've discovered it and it's yummy, and we're gonna do it and then we're gonna go watch Lewis. Here's what we're eating: some yummy homemade dahi with, ta-da, some jaggery on top. Are you ready?
Sao Paulo Grand Prix. It's round 19. It's lights out away we go. Bottas gets away well ahead of Verstappen. Verstappen is coming back at him.
Drivers are being warned, don't forget your brakes are going to be cold when you steam into turn one. I think Matt will try to judge this to see if he can fold it. He's got the benefit of his teammate behind him.
Ben Hamilton is stalking him. Bottas behind, and then the Ferrari of Charles Leclerc. Big lock up there. Drama so far, and a 10-second time penalty now, Martin.
And there's Hamilton,
Come on,
but
come
trying to
on,
go down the outside. Is he going to
Yes, yes, yes,
keep
yes.
it on the road? He can.
Yes,
He's done it.
yes.
Hamilton, who's been making a habit of going down the
Yes.
inside into
Get
turn
Max
one, this
now.
time dances round the outside,
Get
and he
Max.
has done it. He's cleared
Sorry,
Sergio
they wake
Perez,
you up.
who's got now
Sorry,
DRS to try and fight his way back. They're going to go wheel to wheel into Cena de Lago. There goes Lewis Hamilton. He was last at the start of the sprint. He's trying to take the lead from Verstappen, but he is forced wide by Verstappen, and Verstappen himself has to go off the track. He has gone from last all the way to first. What a drive!
Come on,
this
come
is
on,
back
Liz.
from Lewis Hamilton this weekend. Oh, a smile of joy. He wins the Sao Paulo Grand Prix.
What a race! Oh my god, I can't tell you, this is definitely one of the best races I've watched. The best this season, I think. Oof, oof, oof. What a win for Lewis. I mean, I don't normally put a lot of F1 content in my vlogs because I know you guys won't, like, I don't have a lot of people that like F1. But man, this is like one for the history books. What a night. Okay, I am gonna calm down a bit. And then go to bed. It is 12:30 now, but I've just been watching the race the whole night. K-drama has taken a backseat tonight for my main man Lewis, and yeah, That's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite parts of the vlog, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.